see your tears in the silence. I feel the weight on your chest. You've been fighting in the darkness, trying your best just to stand. When your strength is almost gone and the night feels too long, don't let go. God is holding you, even when you can't feel the truth. In the breaking, in the pain, He is with you, He remains. Don't give up, you're not alone. This is not your final road. Through the fire, through the storm, you are held, you are held. Every question, every heartbeat, every fear you try to hide, He is closer than you're breathing, standing right there by your side. Light is coming, hold on, morning's breaking, hold on. This is not the end, no. God is writing your story. Don't let go. He's carrying you, even when you don't see it through. Every valley, every night leads you closer to the light.